मोदी सरकारଙ୍କର यूनियन कैबिनेट 7 जुलाई 2021 ରେ ରିସଫଲ ହେଇଛି। ସେଥିରେ 36 ଜଣ ନୂଆ ମିନିଷ୍ଟର ଆପଏଣ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ପାଇଛନ୍ତି, ଯେଉଁଥିରେ କି 16 ଜଣ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍ କ୍ୟାବିନେଟକୁ ଏମପି ହେଇ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମୋଦି କ୍ୟାବିନେଟରେ ମିନିଷ୍ଟର ସଂଖ୍ୟା ବଢ଼ି 78 ହେଇଛି। ସୋ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡସ୍, ମୁଁ ବିକ୍ରମ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଆରଜି ବ୍ଲଗ୍ସରେ ସ୍ୱାଗତ କରୁଛି। ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ ଦେଖିବା କେଉଁ ମନ୍ତ୍ରୀଙ୍କୁ କେଉଁ ପୋର୍ଟଫୋଲିଓ ଦିଆହେଇଛି। ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଯଦି ଆପଣ ଆମ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲରେ ନୂଆ ଅଛନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ ପ୍ଲିଜ୍ ଆମ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ, ଯଦ୍ୱାରା ଚ୍ୟାନେଲରେ ଅପଲୋଡ଼ କରିବା ନୂଆ ଭିଡ଼ିଓଜର ନୋଟିଫିକେସନ୍ ପାଇପାରିବେ ଏବଂ ଏପରି କୌଣସି ଇନଫର୍ମେଟିଭ୍ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ମିସ୍ କରିବେ ନାହିଁ। Sri Narendra Modi, Prime Minister and also in charge of Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, Department of Atomic Energy, Department of Space, all important policies issued and all other portfolios not allocated to any ministers. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଦେଖିବା cabinet ministers. Sri Rajnath Singh, Minister of Defence, Sri Amit Shah, Minister of Home Affairs and Minister of Cooperation, Sri Nitin Jairam Gadkari, Minister of Road Transport and Highways, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman, Minister of Finance and Minister of Corporate Affairs, Sri Narendra Singh Tomar, Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Dr. Subramanyam Jaishankar, Minister of External Affairs, Sri Arjun Munda, Minister of Tribal Affairs, Srimati Smriti Zubin Irani, Minister of Women and Child Development, Sri Piyush Goyal, Minister of Commerce and Industry, Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distributions and Minister of Textiles, Sri Dharmendra Pradhan, Minister of Education, Minister of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Sri Prahlad Joshi, Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, Minister of Coal and Minister of Mines, Sri Narayan Taturane, Minister of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Sri Sarvananda Sonawal, Minister of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Minister of Ayush, Sri Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi, Minister of Minority Affairs, Dr. Virendra Kumar, Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment, Sri Giriraj Singh, Minister of Rural Development and Minister of Panchayat Raj, Sri Jyotiraditya Scindia, Minister of Civil Aviation, Sri Ramachandra Prasad Singh, Minister of Steel, Sri Ashwini Vaishnav, Minister of Railways, Minister of Communications and Minister of Electronics and Information Technology, Sri Pashupati Kumar Paras, Minister of Food Processing Industries, Sri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, Minister of Jal Shakti, Sri Kiren Rijju, Minister of Law and Justice, Sri Raj Kumar Singh, Minister of Power and Minister of New and Renewable Energy, Sri Hardeep Singh Puri, Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Minister of Housing and Urban Affairs, Sri Mansukh Mandaviya, Minister of Health and Family Welfare and Minister of Chemical and Fertilizers, Sri Bhupendra Yadav, Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change and Minister of Labor and Employment, Dr. Mahendranath Pandey, Minister of Heavy Industries, Sri Parshottam Rupala, Minister of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying, Sri G. Kishan Reddy, Minister of Culture, Minister of Tourism and Minister of Development of North Eastern Region, Sri Anurag Singh Thakur, Minister of Information and Broadcasting and Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଦେଖିବା ମିନିଷ୍ଟର୍ସ ଅଫ୍ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିପେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ଚାର୍ଜ ଦୁଇ ଜଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି। ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ହେଲେ ରାଓ ଇନ୍ଦରଜିତ ସିଂ, ମିନିଷ୍ଟର ଅଫ୍ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିପେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ଚାର୍ଜ of the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, Minister of State independent charge of the Minister of Planning and Minister of State in the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Second hele Dr. Inderjit Singh, Minister of State independent charge of the Ministry of Science and Technology, Minister of State independent charge of the Ministry of Earth Sciences, Minister of State in the Prime Minister's Office, Minister of State in the Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, Minister of State in the Department of Atomic Energy, and Minister of State in the Department of Spaces. वर्तमान देखिए मिनिस्टर्स ऑफ स्टेट वीडियो को आगो को कंटिन्यू करने आगु मुझे रिक्वेस्ट करुच्ची जदि आपण को कौन सी मिनिस्टर एवं पोर्टफोलियो विषय जदि आपण नोट करने चाहती ताले वीडियो को पॉज करी आपण नोट करि पारंती एवं जेकोसी मिनिस्टर अच्छा से मिनिस्टर मानकर पोर्टफोलियो एवं से डिटेल्स जदि आउ गोटे वीडियो करने जदि आप चाहते ताले मते कमेंट बॉक्स रे भी दियंतु जद्वारा कि मुझे चेष्टा करी मु अधिक इनफॉरमेशन आनी कि आउ गोटे वीडियो करने वर्तमान देखिए मिनिस्टर्स ऑफ स्टेट श्री श्रीपद येसो नाइक मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्टेट इन द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ पोर्ट्स शिपिंग एंड वाटरवेज and Minister of State in the Ministry of Tourism. Sri F. Kulaste, Minister of State in the Ministry of Steel and Minister of State in the Ministry of Rural Development. Sri Prahlad Singh Patel, Minister of State in the Ministry of Jal Shakti, Minister of State in the Ministry of Food Processing Industries. Sri Ashwini Kumar Choube, Minister of State in the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distributions, and Minister of State in the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Sri Arjun Ram Meghwal, Minister of State in the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs and Ministry of State in the Ministry of Culture. General Retired V.K. Singh, Minister of State in the Ministry of Road, Transport and Highways and Minister of State in the Ministry of Civil Aviation. Sri Krishan Pal, Minister of State in the Ministry of Power and Minister of State in the Ministry of Heavy Industries. Sri D. R. Dandarao, Minister of State in the Ministry of Railways, Minister of State in the Ministry of Coal and Ministry of State in the Ministry of Mines. Sri Ramdas Atwale, Minister of State in the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Sadhvi Niranjan Jyoti, Minister of State in the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distributions and Minister of State in the Ministry of Rural Development. Dr. Sanjeev Kumar Balyan, Minister of State in the Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying. Sri Nityanand Rai, Minister of State in the Ministry of Home Affairs. Sri Pankaj Chaudhary, Minister of State in the Ministry of Finance. Srimati Anupriya Singh Patel, Minister of State in the Ministry of Commerce and Industries. Professor S.P. Singh Baghel, Ministry of State in the Ministry of Law and Justice. Sri Rajiv Chandrasekhar, Minister of State in the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship and Minister of State in the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Susri Shobha Karanjalje, Minister of State in the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Sri Bhanu Pratap Singh Verma, Minister of State in the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Srimati Darshana Vikram Jardos, Minister of State in the Ministry of Textiles and Minister of State in the Ministry of Railways. Sri V. Muralidharan, Minister of State in the Ministry of External Affairs and Minister of State in the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. Srimati Meenakshi Lekhi, Minister of State in the Ministry of External Affairs and Minister of State in the Ministry of Culture. Sri Som Prakash, Minister of State in the Ministry of Commerce Industries. Srimati Renukha Singh Saruta, Minister of State in the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Sri Rameswar Telly, Minister of State in the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Minister of State in the Ministry of Labour and Employment. Sri Kailash Chaudhary, Minister of State in the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Srimati Annapurna Devi, Minister of State in the Ministry of Education. Sri A. Narayan Swamy, Minister of State in the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Sri Kausal Kishore, Minister of State in the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Sri Ajay Bhatt, Minister of State in the Ministry of Defence and Minister of State in the Ministry of Tourism. Sri V. L. Verma, Minister of State in the Ministry of Development of North Eastern Region and Minister of State in the Ministry of Corporation. Sri Ajay Kumar, Minister of State in the Ministry of Home Affairs. Sri Devasinna Chauhan, Minister of State in the Ministry of Communication. Sri Bhagwant Khuba, Minister of State in the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy and Minister of State in the Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizers. Sri Kapil Moreswar Patil, Minister of State in the Ministry of Panchayati Raj. Susri Pratima Bhaumik, Minister of State in the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Dr. Subhash Sarkar, Minister of State in the Ministry of Education. Dr. Bhagavat Kishan Rao Karade, Minister of State in the Ministry of Finance. Dr. Rajkumar Ranjan Singh, Minister of State in the Ministry of External Affairs and Minister of State in the Ministry of Education. Dr. Bharati Praveen Parwar, Minister of State in the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Sri Visweswar Tudu, Minister of State in the Ministry of Tribal Affairs and Minister of State in the Ministry of Jal Shakti. Sri Santanu Thakur, Minister of State in the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. Dr. Munjapara Mahendra Bhai, Minister of State in the Ministry of Women and Child Development and Minister of State in the Ministry of Ayush. Sri John Barla, Minister of State in the Ministry of Minorities Affairs. Dr. L. Murugan, Minister of State in the Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying and Minister of State in the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Sri Nisit Parmanik, Minister of State in the Ministry of Home Affairs and Minister of State in the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. So वीडियो को देखिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करंतु. थैंक यू. जय हिंद.